Hey folks, Rob from Mountain Block Moments. Back up the mountain today. We've going to have a bit of a play with the digger. I've got a diesel leaking out of the injectors again, out of the injector pump, not the injectors. I've got Alex as my offsider. Eric's actually gone off with another builder as an apprentice chippy because I'm not doing that anymore. And Alex has been a dickhead at school, so he's suspended for a week, so he's with me. So he'll probably do a bit of videoing, and I'll do a bit of yelling and carrying on at him. So he knows school's better than coming to work with Dad.
Hello, my name is Alex. I'm Dad's cameraman. You'll see me in a couple of his videos. I hope you enjoy Mountain Block Moments. Here we will be playing with machinery and fixing up roads. I hope you enjoy.
What are we doing, Alex?
Fixing up the digger.
We are replacing O-rings again in the pressure side of the... Oh man, they're tight. Fuel pump. Ah, that is not what I want to happen. Alex, like all young people these days, think that making a YouTube channel would be a wonderful way to make money. Unfortunately, YouTube pays 3/5 of fuck all. If you had to survive on what YouTube was paying me, you would go hungry. I know I haven't made YouTube my business of making money, but don't know how many hours of content I would have. I would have a few hours, and it has been watched by a few people. I have a few subscribers, enough to monetize my channel. And I would say for 18 months of having a YouTube channel up, I probably made $600. But my YouTube channel is definitely not about money. It's entirely for selfish reasons, so that I can look back at what I've done and see progress. Also lets me feel like I'm close to my animals and the country when I'm spending time in hospital, which I've done a little bit of in the last little while. All our roads up here are all washed out. Can't get a truck in to bring my cows back. Can't even drive the four-wheel drive in to get to the Alice to drive it back out, and it's probably too wet to use the Alice to repair the road anyway. I wanted to take this home and do some work on it at home, but that isn't going to happen. Size of A, Alex? 18, 18, 17. More bigger. More bigger again. Digger's got a slow leak on the radiator. Oh, that's right. It's got it. One of the drive motors on the tracks is very lazy, so I was going to see what was going on there. But we've got to get this access back into the block again. I need some dentistry tools. Some O-rings. And a little bit of grease.
Nah, it doesn't work.
I think this is the third time I've put these on. I'm going to change the torque setting on the whatever it is called. It cannot be 50. It's just tearing these O-rings apart. I'm going to try a lot less. If they still leak, then I'll do them up tighter. All right. Where is that? Seems to be rolling it out. Still too much, I reckon. I know, we'll put the whole rack back on again and see what we've achieved. This little stop it from coming loose thing. I broke the other one, or it already had a crack in it or something. Just put it on that one and make it easy for myself. I don't have the other one anyway, so. Come on, baby. I think that's all it needs, just enough to stop them turning with vibration. All right. We'll take that off, give it a little sniff of aero start. Help it get started. It has been cold up here, and also we don't want to spend all day trying to prime it up. Now, because I've got Alex here, he can actually squirt it in there as I turn it. Or I send him up there. Maybe that'll be easier. Righto. You want to jump up in the cab, Alex?
Yep.
You know where to start it?
The switch there.
No, the switch down the back there, the key. Oh, there's no key in it. Oh, you didn't even need to aero start it. Alex put the key in and it turned it, started straight away. Just turn it off. I've got to tighten that. Turn it off. Yeah, I didn't have that one tightened up because I thought I would have had to bleed it more. But there's fuel right through to there, so we'll tighten that up and yeah, put some water in it, check oils and grease and see what we can get done today. Alex putting some fuel in it, struggling to hold a 20 litre jerry up. You won't need to go to the gym this afternoon. But looks like gonna have a win today. Oh, that's the other thing it needed to go home for. There's this here needs a track tension, a reseal. The track cannon or tension ram, whatever you like to call them, is bleeding grease out the front seal. So I got to keep a really close eye on it or the track jumps off. But yeah, same as last time. I thought I was having a win as well until I ran it for half an hour and that O-ring started weeping again. So we'll see what happens this time. Pumps or until I see the grease pumping in. A little extension to go on my funnel, but I didn't bring it. See if I can cover myself with some oil here. Oh, look at that.
Perfect.
That's a really handy funnel, that, and here's something that I really like about it. It has a screw-on lid for the top and a screw-on lid for the bottom. Nearly every funnel that I've ever owned, you've got to try to clean the crap out of it before you use it. Still does collect the odd bit of crap, but having the lid on the top and the bottom is a great idea. Yeah, I should have got another copper washer probably. So I'm not changing the oil filter, I'm just changing the oil. It's going to come out black anyway. It's probably due for an oil filter change as well, but just have to be happy with new oil. Alright. So, where's the little pump?
It's in the back of the car.
Pump that through since it's a brand new pump. Make sure there's no dirt in it. Alright. Don't want to lose that. That's a $70 plug cap. Somewhere down in the belly of this beast is another one of them. Reason I bring the boys along, they can do the manual labour. I don't want to put a mocker on myself, but things have gone reasonably smooth this morning. So it'd be nice for a change if things kept on just rolling along smoothly. How many is that? 15. Let's see how much we got. What also having a lid for the top and the bottom of your funnel does. It's a little bit of sump oil that's just floating around in there. Stops it running out into your toolbox or wherever you might sit your funnel. So yeah, I had not seen them for a long time, and I saw one and went, that's a bloody good idea. Lashed out and bought one. It's quite old now, but it's been a great little funnel. I can't remember, I think it's this size, it's crazy. So we're just going to check oil levels. These little final drives. Track motors, whatever you want to call them. So we'll, which way is up? That should be up, that one. Yeah, I'll drive it forward and you tell me when that's up there.
Yep.
we've had a fair bit of rain in the past couple of weeks here, and it's all just washed onto the road, so the road has just been crumbling up and turning into mud. As you can see here, can't even go on the road because it's just destroyed. We have repaired it a little bit back up that way, and as you can see, we're repairing it back down that way, so hopefully we'll be able to get into the block today and we can go and have a look at what's happening up there. So yeah, we had fixed a little bit of this part right here, but with all the rain that we've got, well, it's also broken just up here as well. As you can see, it's as worse as back down there. So got a little bit of work ahead of us. As you can see, it's just all gone through the side of the road, and it's just torn up the side of the road, all the rain. There was no real gutters when we first got here, so now we're making them. Hopefully we can get the whole road fixed in a short time, so we can get the truck up here, bring some more cows up here and everything. Some parts of the road have little dirt walls on the side of them, so when all the rain comes, all the rain just goes down the dirt wall and onto the road, which completely destroys it, as you can see.
Well folks, that'll be it from Alex and Rob here on Mountain Block Moments. We shall catch you on the next one.